Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can add your own music to Filmora. If you don't want to use the inbuilt songs that Filmora provides to you or any other song, then you can follow these steps to add your own music. So first, open the Filmora app on your mobile device, then tap on the video you want to add your music. After you selected the video, you can see an option called Add Music. Simply tap on it, then Filmora will show you some songs that you can add on your video. But if you want to add your own music, there is an option called Import right next to Trending. Tap on it, then you'll see two options called Files and Extract Audio. If you want to import a music on your mobile's device, tap on Files, then allow Filmora to access music and audio on this device. From here, you'll see music on your device, and this is how you can add your own music. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.